Mowing the lawn on a Saturday afternoon is not my idea of a good time. But mowing the lawn on a Saturday afternoon with a mower that won't cooperate is really not my idea of a good time. A little pre-planning and some springtime maintenance would have alleviated this problem. If your gas-powered lawn equipment isn't starting up on the first pull of the rope, there's a few things you should check. The first is the spark plug. Pull it out of there and have a look at it. It could be greasy, it could be dirty and fouled. If it is, a wire brush will clean it up. It should look like this. The next thing you can try is spraying a little ether into the carburetor of a non-starting engine. Sometimes that'll get it going on the next pull of the rope. And in the fall, when you're ready to put away your equipment for winter, let it run until it completely runs out of gas. That keeps the carburetor from fouling up in the winter. Another important thing about your lawn and garden equipment is keeping it clean. Wash your equipment after every use. Your engine will run cooler and last longer. But with rototillers in particular, it's important. Wrapped around these tiller tines is a big chunk of Bermuda grass. The next garden I till gets this as a free gift. Get it out of there and clean it up. Another thing you should check once or twice a year is the condition of your lawnmower blade. This one is dirty, chipped, and certainly dull. And another hint, look at your lawn. If the tips of the grass blades are broken and frayed, it's because your lawnmower blade is dull. This one needs some work. Once you've cleaned up the blade with a wire brush or the wheel on your bench grinder, the next step is to sharpen the blade. We're looking for two things with a sharp blade. One is, of course, a good edge. The other, and more important, is the proper balance. The blade's got to balance. If it's not balanced, it could cause the crankshaft to be damaged and ruin the engine in your mower, and that's an expensive repair. This is a blade balancer. And as you can see, this blade, which we haven't worked on, isn't balanced. But you may not have one of these. If you don't, it's a simple matter to hang up a string and hang your blade and take a look at it that way. When it's evenly balanced, we're ready to get back to work. My final tip for you is to find a strong young man to mow the lawn for you. That way, you can spend your Saturday afternoon off maintaining the important tools of the trade.